India Friendship Bonsai Society began its remarkable journey from humble beginnings. It all started with a small group of mothers at Jamnabai Narsi School, united by their shared love for nature. Leading this passionate group was Urvashi Thakkar, a true bonsai enthusiast who had been nurturing and showcasing her bonsai for over 40 years. Together, they formed the Garden Club with a modest membership fee of just 10 rupees. Over time, this group flourished, and in 2003, it blossomed into the India Friendship Bonsai Society. Urvashi Thakkar became the founding president, followed by Nirmala Deora, and today, the society continues to thrive under the leadership of Harsha Hinduja. As a non-profit organization, the India Friendship Bonsai Society is powered by collaboration and community. Each year, the society organizes a grand bonsai exhibition on the Jamnabai Narsi campus, a tradition that no other school in Mumbai offers. These exhibitions not only showcase stunning artistry, but also inspire students to connect with nature and appreciate its delicate beauty. Adding to the prestige of these events, dignitaries from various embassies have graced the exhibitions as guests of honor, and Bollywood actresses have attended as chief guests, lending their support and encouragement to this artistic celebration of nature. Their presence highlights the significance of bonsai as an art form and inspires greater appreciation for the beauty and harmony of nature. The society's success has also been significantly bolstered by the unwavering support of the parent-teacher associations of both Jamnabai Narsi schools in Mumbai, whose encouragement and dedication have been instrumental in fostering its growth and impact. Currently, the society boasts 50 dedicated members, with its numbers growing every year. Monthly workshops led by masters from across India and the world keep the members inspired and skilled. Members also participate in international bonsai conventions, bringing back global insights to their craft. Beyond bonsai, the members also display the intricate art of ikebana, adding another layer of beauty to their efforts. The India Friendship Bonsai Society stands as a beacon of creativity, collaboration, and environmental awareness. Through their tireless efforts, they not only cultivate bonsai, but also nurture a deep respect for nature, inspiring generations to cherish and protect our natural world. From its roots in a small group of mothers to becoming a thriving community of bonsai lovers, the India Friendship Bonsai Society continues to grow. One tree, one member, one dream at a time.